You know it's showing this.
Yeah, I know what it's showing. What is that?
What is it doing? I'll show it.
You're moving it over. Hold on.
Dang it, it's not showing.
Here, give me.
Here we go.
Wait, watch out, move it. That was me at Halloween!
Except no, it wasn't, Chris.
What's on next? If only they could see the video. What's on next?
You know they're recording me right now?
Yeah.
Just like this is like
Tony! Get in here!
show your brother. Nope. Oh, right.
I'll make you mine!
You just got owned by me. He showed up too. He was like, he got off of there. Ah.
Oh my god! Ah!
Everybody, now here we go. It's a brand new version of Velcro. Just stomp your feet, clap your hands. Come on, everybody, it's a hand thing. Time to the beat. Hey, you don't even have to move your feet. Just shake your frame. Let me see you do. Now spin around and feel the groove.
Let's try it.
Tony, play it!
Hold on.
Just
Chris, you got ketchup?
drink it!
Chris,
It's good for you!
you got ketchup?
That was stupid. That song is getting annoying.
And then you go like this, and like this. You're like, ah, and like that.
Let's see if it's worked. Let's see if we can hear the
Hold
song.
on, hold on.
This is how we do.
Do it!
Is it recording us right now?
Yes.
Whoops. I put Plaka.
Waka.
Waka
Flocka.
blah.
Dude, stop doing that. That's nasty.
Oh. I'm gonna play L4D2.
My money up. Now I can't re-up. Ran up in his spot just to get my stats up.
You're
Now I'm back
bag.
on deck. So shout it what
You
the
are.
fuck you want. Heard he talking shit, but this ain't what the fuck you want. My money up. Now I can't
Like
re-up.
KKK.
Ran up in his spot just to get my money up. Now I can't re-up. Ran up in his spot just to get my stats up. Now I'm back on
Here's
deck.
the video. I'll do this while you're doing the video, okay?
It's time to...
Okay, baby cheeks.
Could switching to Geico
What is
really
this?
save you 15% or more on car insurance?
Oh, my chin.
Yeah.
I know.
Does a 10
Let's
watch the
bag
video,
of
see if it
flour make
works.
a really big
It's
biscuit?
still recording, douche face.
Yeah, it's recording, you douche.
Douche face. What the
What's that noise?
I don't know. Maybe it was me talking and it was like...
Scooch.
Why are you doing that?
Pump it.
Yellow everything this time, you know what I'm talking about? Yellow rims,
Yellow
Big booty.
Yellow balls.
yellow rounds, yellow MPs, yellow watch, yellow charm, chain, yellow lip
No. If you have a complaint about these movies, put it... Well, whatever.
Comment
Put it
it.
in the comments.
Yeah,
That little,
comment. Comment
the
it.
box there.
Yeah, the comments.
In the box.
Subscribe.
No, this is how I do 3. Whoops. This is how I do 3. This is how I do 2.
And this is how I do 3. You know, we can't put this on YouTube, man.
Why?
She won't watch it. What she does.
Then we're screwed. But I care about the fans. Oh!
I care about our fans, Chelsea. We have fans, Chelsea. The thing,
I got this big zit right here.
Tony, I'm gonna record your
Move up, quick. It's hot here now.
Yeah,
Let's watch it.
darn it, I'm that.
You know, it's gonna be in the video. You keep saying, let's watch it. Let's see if it works. Let's watch it. Alright, bye. Hold on, wait. No, not yet. Shut that song up.
Free sweat.
That's not what you're saying.
Oh. What's a free sweat?
Don't read it aloud.
Why would I say free sweat? Special ed saying, oh. I.
You're so dumb, man.
No, I'm not. What are you talking about?
I don't even know what this is.
What are you, a spitter?
Is a parody.
Following video is a parody. Parodies are allowed to by law, according to fair use.
What?
Oh my god, it's South Park!
Duh. What is this?
Oh my god! Play it!
I'm not playing that. That's nasty.
I dare you!
I'm playing this. Hold on. Don't call me fat.
What's happening, Forum? I'll be the first to admit that I love jumping on trampolines. Like this girl. It looks fun, right? Yeah, keep watching. Although it's funny, it's kind of weird that the trampoline broke. I mean, if you look, this girl isn't like overweight or anything. In fact, she's actually rather thin. But you know from this point on, her friends will refer to her as that fat girl who broke the trampoline. Hey, way to go, fatty. Hide your chapstick or that fat girl will eat it all. I'm just saying, you know they're gonna make fun of her. Forum, I need you to check out this video of this drunken woman who really wants to dance.
I am fucking great. Oh, fucking dance.
What is it? What is the percolator dance?
It's time for the percolator.
That's the dance?
It's time for the percolator.
I don't want to watch that. No, that's stupid.
Go to the swine food.
Hold on, wait.
Let's do the percolator. Get up on that glass table and show us how it's done.
Ready for this?
Oh, we're ready. Show us how to percolate, girl.
It's time for the percolator.
What a faggot, man.
Britney Spears. I see some of you nodding. You made a...
Hold on, what's a faggot?
And how fucking dare anyone out there make fun of Britney after all she's been through? She lost her aunt. She went through a divorce. She had 2 fucking kids. Her husband turned out to be a user, a cheater, and now she's going through a custody battle. All you people care about is readers and making money off of her. She's a human!
Spit on me! Now everybody's gonna come after me and try and kill me.
What you don't realize is that Britney's making you all this money, and all you do is write a bunch of crap about her. She hasn't performed on stage in years. Her song is called Give Me More for a reason, because all you people want is more, 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 more! Leave her alone! You're lucky she even performed for you bastards! Leave Britney alone! Please!
Yeah! Take this, you ugly zombies! Eat it! Taste my rainbow!
Are you playing that?
No.
Move it! Fatty!
Alright, this is where
Move
we
it,
say
Boomer!
goodbye.
lighting up the sky. Luna, do you have time to sing a goodbye song before you go?
Bye!
Always been. Hey, this was really fun. We hope you liked it too. Seems like we've just begun when suddenly we're through. Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye. 'Cause now it's time to go. But hey, I say, well that's okay. 'Cause we'll see you very soon, I know. Very soon, I know.